angle. I don't want you to do that unless you feel compelled to do so. For this first question, all I want you to solve for is put a question mark. We're just going to put question marks on either angles or sides I want you to solve for. So put a question mark right here. Okay? Then go over to this second question. I want you to put a question mark on that side length. Then for questions 3 and 4, I'm going to ask you to solve for this angle right here, angle C. For question 4 here, I want you to solve for that side. Just put a question mark everywhere. So make sure you follow along. I need you to practice this. This is going to involve you deciding, is it sine law, cosine law? And I'm going to come and check, right? Because you got to make sure you know how to do that. Let's go to page 24. On page 24 for question 5, I want you to solve for that angle right there. Then go over to question 6. I want you to solve for that side right there, this side. Question 7 and 8. So for question 7, I want you to solve for that angle up here, this angle. What is the measure of that angle? For this one right here, I want you to figure out what's the measure of that angle. One more page. For question 9, I want you to figure out the value of that side right here, ultimately. And for question 10, I want you to figure out this angle right there, ultimately. You may have to do other stuff to get there. And before you flip back, hold on. The key is on page 26. So if you go to 26, this is the key to pages 23 to 25. Okay, this is the key right here. We're on page 26. So these numbers are not rounded to 2 decimals. They're whole numbers. So it's going to be close, but not exactly to what you have. So if I asked you, for example, on the first one to solve this angle right here, you should get something that's close to 63. Okay, it might be 63.1, 63.4, you name it. So this key is not perfect, but it can help you decide where, if you're close enough. So again, let's go back to page 23 here. What case is this first one? Like, which one are you going to use? Sine law or cosine law? Because you don't have a pair at all, it's side, side, side. That's cosine law, yes. So it's cosine law. And so use the appropriate formula. You can go back to the cover and see like what formula is this. You should have this on your study sheet by tomorrow, both formulas on your study sheet. And so I want you to solve for, if you just joined, guys, put question marks on your papers there. So we'll do that for the next little while, okay? Solve, determine, all of that. Go ahead.